Hello and welcome to another Techfanaticofficial, your honest guide to the Cryptoverse. Today I'm gonna talk about Zyfi, but before that, there's a lot of ideas and listing happening this week that I just want to quickly cover through. So today, 21st of October, we'll have TAP protocol listing. It's the CoinList project, which is on Bitcoin and sort of narrative. You'll receive your tokens on Xverse wallet. They've already emailed everyone who invested in CoinList project. So that's TAP listing today. Tonight is also idea of names on Pulse Finance, and then listing of Twin Protocol is tomorrow, which is a singularity sort of background project in AI. So Wednesday, 23rd is Crow's launch listing. So idea for Crows is today on GameFi Launchpad, and then listing for it is on the 23rd on KuCoin and others. Listing for it's a 10 set back project. Now, so there's a few ideas and listings happening this week. Now, coming back to the project I want to cover, it's Zyfi, and it's a on-chain transaction being simple and using native AAs. So basically, I'm gonna talk about the pre-sale after, but basically they have a transaction model which makes it gas-free. So as a decentralized application, you have complete control over sponsorship for each transaction level, and you can desire that without changing the smart contract. Any token is supported. You can pay gas with any token you want, and they natively supported on ZKSync as an off-chain price feed. But yeah, you can choose the token you want, bring it off-chain to ZKSync, choose the gas fee, sort of bringing users basically, and then it's intent-based API. So it's an entire API within the landscape helps to achieve the intent that you want to save gas. So they also have gas grant program for the projects, and they have. I'm not gonna go through the whole what do you call it? I'm not gonna go through the whole blogs and dashboard, but basically it's a revolutionary product, and you can go to the dashboard as well to see how they can, and you can actually check the documentation. This is how they are basically giving you an API. You can connect your wallet, and you can get access to the dashboard. I mean, I really don't want to connect wallet when I'm doing a video, but for the sake of this, maybe I'll do it. If I go to ZKSync, I don't wanna authorize, to be honest. Let's see. Maybe I'll go to a wallet that's not. Yeah, I'll lose this wallet. Usually, I don't like to use my main wallet when I'm testing a product, just in case. You remember what happened 2 years ago. So yeah, you can authorize the wallet, you can sign in, and then it gives you all the detail you need in terms of the gas usage. I think I pressed it too many times. Oh my God. So yeah, you sign in. While I'm saying that, is as I said, it's a native account abstraction, provides flexibility, use of integration, and basically you can manage gas. It has a gasless model. People can use the native account abstraction, swap best to best rate, send tokens without using Ethereum. So this is the whole concept, right? That you don't need to use gas fees, and you don't have ETH in your wallet. That's fine. You still can do a swap from, I don't know, USDT to another token, for example. And they're going to be used across many products. So they already have 30 dApps on chain. For example, they've got Zero Land, which is one of my invested projects, good project, PancakeSwap, decentralized exchange on BNB, SyncSwap, decentralized exchange on ZKSync, Gravita, Increment Finance, ZK Markets, which is an NFT space. So they're basically resolving the challenge that every time you have to bridge Ethereum to a new chain, especially on layer 2 or sub layers of Ethereum. So you don't need to get confused with the gas tokens needed, especially people have to send from the exchange or others. So they provide that, and they also provide the concept of smart wallet. So that's another thing that they're doing. And then they have the account abstraction that I've mentioned, and then they have the API. So it's quite a revolutionary product which they have, and some of the backers and partners, and they have. So these are the users that they have in some integration: PancakeSwap, Abstract, Zero Lend, Ethereum, Magic, Hue, Koi, Nitro, Chronos, ZKSync, Nodal, and SyncSwap. And then the VC backers they've got: Angel DAO, Calaveras Capital, White Loop Capital, Tensor Capital, Alpha Capital, NextGen, Everstake, and they've got some investors as angel investors. For example, founder of Paraswap, leader integration of Aave, Safe, DEX tools person, and then these are not that important. Ledger, Stake Capital, and Blackpool. They also have the article for the dashboard if you want to check it out and see, how this works in terms of the project. I'm tired of this. That's my mistake that I pressed it too many times. Then going to the project itself, I'm gonna just cover the one that I see on DAPPAD Launchpad. So as I said, it's a paymaster as a service designed to offer flexibility for decentralized dApps within the ZKSync ecosystem. And in terms of the timeline, so sorry, as I said, that it's powered by API. I've already said the companies they have. I already mentioned the problem with the gas. I already mentioned the backers. In terms of the roadmap, now they're gonna focus on the listing, and of course they also focus on interoperability with ZK EVM and other native chains. But initially, they're gonna start on ZKSync, the whole ZK narrative that they're bullish on. Now they're gonna have the TGE in the month of October, and then they're gonna focus on the Elastic chains and Dapps, and then they're gonna go multi-chain in Q2. Team members, they have Gutier Villa, who is an ex-crypto YouTuber with 1.166 subscribers, and he's pretty famous in the crypto space. They have Goy Birken, who is 15 years of experience in blockchain and development. They have smart contract engineer, who's an ETH Global Hackathon winner, co-founder of DeFi. Ex-Sony member also is the front-end dev, and then some other impressive people behind the project. In terms of the token utility and tokenomics, the token utility itself, you can have it for voting power, staking. When they do the validator thing, you get staking, you get rewards. DAO incentives. So ZFi and stake ZFi assets. The ZFi token is the utility, discount on gas fees. By holding the Zyfi token, you'll be getting discounts on all transactions across all the dApps that they're partnered with. And then the governance stake is the one that you stake and help with the validation, and then you get the stake tokens and then convert it into ZFi. So this is the main utility. Use cases, as I said, you can pay gas with any token. I said all of that, yeah. Ecosystem, I've also mentioned who's in the ecosystem. So that's a pretty cool one. In terms of the tokenomics itself, it's going to be a total supply of 500 million tokens. So token price for public round is 4 USDT cents, which makes this at, if I'm not mistaken, yeah, it makes it at valuation of $20 million FTV. Platform initial market cap will be, including liquidity, 1.2 million, and the network is gonna be ZKSync Era. Circulating supply initial will be 25 million tokens as well. Now, in terms of their socials, they're quite active on Twitter. We've got 105 members, 105K members, and you can see their posts are quite interactive. They're doing AMAs, they do Galcs campaigns, and I'm actually impressed with the improvement they had over the last few weeks compared to where they were before. And then they also have this public sale happening. So that's the main message I want to give as a call to action. The public sale is happening in two places. The first one is in their own platform, that Zyfi. You go here, you check your eligibility, and if your wallet is not there, you can join. So my wallet is not in the whitelist, for example, that's fine. You register, and then you do KYC. So if you want to join on Tokensoft, the sale is happening on Tokensoft, you connect your wallet. You connect your wallet, and then you KYC, and then join the IDO. So that's the Tokensoft IDO happening for Zyfi, and it's first come, first served. more detail also here. I will put the link after you check your eligibility. So far, 5,000 registrations. The other IDO is happening more guaranteed. So this one was first come, first served, but you will have a good chance if you're on time. So make sure you check the time. I'm going to put the link. The second place they're going to have the sale is at DAPPAD. So DAPPAD, you need to hold DAPPAD tokens, and it's on ZKSync network, and you need to spend USDT. You need to KYC. You still can do it. So you still have 1 day and 14 hours to register your interest for the public sale, check your allocation, and KYC verification. That's the round opening. So that's where you can use DAPPAD. As I said, Zyfi itself, you can do it on Zyfi website. You can join the public sale offering. So it's by Tokensoft. And on the Zyfi one, the good thing is you can use Ethereum, BNB. Let me check just to make sure I'm not wrong. Yeah, you can use USDC, Ethereum, BNB, and ZK. And the network ZKSync Ethereum BNB chain is the race that's happening for Zyfi and Tokensoft. If you don't want to guarantee, then you prefer something that's you don't even need to use ZKSync, you then just do the Tokensoft one. If you want a more guaranteed one, I'm doing this one because I want a guaranteed one. I'll do the stake around on Zyfi, and but the downside is it's on ZK if you don't want to use ZK. But anyway, claim is going to be on ZK token, ZK sync chain anyway. So that's how it works. So that was a quick update on Zyfi, their IDO and listing happening, this week. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, write it down in the comments in the description. And I wish you all the best for the start of the week and the rest of the week. And see you next time. Goodbye.